So I designed a new slip-ons for the snow. So what I'm figuring is just simple 2 by 2 millimeter tabs will do, and they'll just go out. It sort of act as like snow chains. That way, low-powered boards, not low power, but it's a 5.0 motors. 505. They'll be able to do it. I'm using this 90 hardiness. Ah, crap! Just messed that up. 90 hardiness TPU material. I would say I'm pretty expert at printing TPU. I've been doing this for quite almost over a year now, so I've built my own spool holder that will allow you to print TPU really fast on a 3D printer. I do have a separate channel for my 3D printers. It's called 3D Printer School on YouTube, and also 3dprinterschool.com. Check that out. So hopefully this design will be done in about 4 hours, and it's just going to be a less restrictive, just sort of very real simple design. That's going to replace these snow tires. These are actually very good traction. I even have to put them the other way. And the new design will slip over the little thing, so it won't slip out at all, which I didn't have any really problems. One time it sort of fell out, but that will solve it. I'm gonna go ahead and try putting these on my bigger own board with 6.0 motors. 6.0, what is that? 6.0. Anyway, the bigger motors. These motors are just tiny. There's just not enough torque, and the gearing is way too low. Yeah, so we'll try these wheels on my bigger board with the bigger motors, and they should have enough torque to move through. If not, then I'll have to redesign for that. But I really like the urethane wheels. They're perfect for snow slip-ons. With air tires, there's just no flat spots, so it's hard to design a slip-on, or I don't even know. Maybe you could just put zip ties on the tires, and they might actually work. So this is exciting. If this works, all these skateboards in the world, they're gonna be able to use these my slip-ons or make your own and go snowboarding with your urethane wheels skateboard. So that's what's coming. I'm building another 3D printer. I have way too many stuff to do. Have a great day.